came into my life and chose to stay at the time when I felt most unlovable. You're the man who loved me in ways I never imagined. The one who healed a heart you didn't break, and the one who pursued me even when I was hard to understand.
Hiding in the sky so blue.
Still remember the very first time we met back in 2011 at SM Dasmariñas. It was nothing more than a simple hi and hello. Little did I know na one day, ikaw pala yung babaeng makakasama ko sa altar at tatawagin kong asawa.
Time may wait for no one.
Today we're gathered to celebrate the Holy Eucharist and to witness the sacrament of marriage between June and Kit. The love that they have for each other will now be shared and expressed in front of us, and asking the Lord to bless them as they start to commit their lives to each other forever.
With you, with you, with you, with you.
Every single day, you remind me how blessed I am to have you as my partner. It's been 9 wonderful years.
Shadows of a faraway moon. The hearts of our
Kit,
world.
did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, but
June, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Time may wait for no one. Where we're going, time ain't no use. Dreams may never come round. There ain't no need for dreaming with what I found. With you, 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 with you.
with you, I learned that love doesn't have to mean losing myself. That I don't have to make someone my entire world just to keep them. Pwede pala akong magtira sa sarili ko and still be deeply loved.
2 years in the making kasi ito eh. 2024 ako nag-propose sa kanya. So, ngayon, ito na. Mangyayari na.
Ang dami nang nagbago.
Thank you for your endless patience. Thank you for believing in me, especially during the moments when I struggled to believe in myself. Thank you for loving me on the days when I was easy to love, and especially on the days when I wasn't. You are, without a doubt, the greatest blessing God has ever given me.
Ikaw pa rin ang hanap. Ikaw pa rin pinapangarap.
Thank you for sharing a piece of yourself with me that not everyone gets to see. The version of you that I get to laugh with until my stomach hurts, and the one that has so much love to give. Thank you for loving me in a way that feels safe and certain.
Kahit ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit magbago ang ikot ng mundo, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko. Wala nang iba. Ikaw lang sinta.
Walang ibang hangarin. Walang mamamagitan sa ating mga puso.
Ilang beses nang ilang beses nang natalo, ilang beses ding bumangon, lalaban sa ngalan ng pag-ibig mo. Kahit ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit magbago ang ikot ng mundo, walang nagbago di, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko. Wala nang iba,
Wala nang iba.
ikaw lang sinta. Ikaw lang, ikaw lang.
San man tayo dalhin, handa kong harapin. Aking lalakbin, dagat lalangin, bundok aakitin. Kung dapat
Isa sa pinaka-love ko sa'yo ay kung paano ka magmahal. We never love halfway. Kapag nagmahal ka, buong puso.
With you, I never have to question my worth because you always make me feel like I am home. Thank you for showing me the kind of love that is calm, steady, and easy. Even in silence, I feel you. Kahit sa mga tahimik at ordinaryong araw, kahit hindi tayo mag-usap, there is peace knowing you're there.
Ulit-ulitin natin ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit magbago ang ikot ng mundo, hindi magbabago, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko. Ikaw lang. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Kahit magbago ang ikot ng mundo, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko.
May inaantay ka pa, June? June, you may now kiss your wife.
Wala nang iba. Pagbabago, panibago, hindi na magbabago. Pangarap, pag-asa,